you know your way around the world? Today, we're putting your travel smarts to the test, one monument at a time. We're starting off with the warm-up round. If you miss these, your passport might get revoked. Let's see how many no-brainers you can actually brain. Easy level? Asking you, you've seen it 1,000 times. But where exactly is it standing? That's the Eiffel Tower in France. Now this statue is holding a torch, but where is she lighting the way? That's the Statue of Liberty in the United States. It's a big wall, really long, but which country built it? That's the Great Wall in China. This clock doesn't just tick, it towers. But where? That's Big Ben in the United Kingdom. This leaning structure's got serious balance issues. Where is it wobbling? That's the Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy. These heads are carved in stone and in history. But where? That's Mount Rushmore in the United States. This opera house sails on the water, but what country gave it a stage? That's the Sydney Opera House in Australia. A big red gate on water? Where are we walking into? That's the Torii Gate of Itsukushima Shrine in Japan. It's Christ with arms wide open, but which land does he welcome? That's Christ the Redeemer in Brazil. They say all roads lead here, but which country is at the end? That's the Colosseum in Italy. Feeling confident? Great! Now we crank the difficulty dial from tourist to seasoned traveler. Things are about to get mildly tricky. Brace yourself. It's tall, metallic, and spiky. But where does it pierce the sky? That's the CN Tower in Canada. This ancient city is carved into cliffs. But where do the stones whisper history? That's Petra in Jordan. This gate once divided a city, but what country's past does it mark? That's the Brandenburg Gate in Germany. It's a dreamy, domed palace, but where's this marble masterpiece? That's the Taj Mahal in India. It's a giant bronze Buddha, but where's this serene giant sitting? That's the Tiantan Buddha in Hong Kong. This massive amphitheater rocks, literally. But where? That's Theater of Epidaurus in Greece. This palace is so colorful, it looks like a candy shop. But where's the crown? That's St. Basil's Cathedral in Russia. A palace on water. But Which nation floats such beauty? That's the Neuschwanstein Castle in Germany. This dome glows golden at sunset, but what's the country behind it? That's the Dome of the Rock in Israel. These stone warriors stand silently, but who summoned them? That's the Terracotta Army in China. Okay, jet setter. These aren't your average travel brochure landmarks. Only true globe gurus make it past this round. Let's separate the tourists from the trivia titans. Hard level. Pink mosque that reflects like a mirror. Where's this divine view? That's the Putra Mosque in Malaysia. This tower twists like a corkscrew. But where's the skyline? That's the Turning Torso in Sweden. A UFO-shaped parliament? Take a wild guess. That's the Palácio do Planalto in Brazil. It's made of salt and it's underground. But what country hides this cathedral? That's the Salt Cathedral of Zipaquirá in Colombia. This shrine has 1,000 red gates. But where's this path of devotion? That's Fushimi Inari Taisha in Japan. A giant hand reaching from the earth. But where's the art in action? Ano del Desierto in Chile. A door to the past, carved in rock. Where does it stand guard? That's the Gate of the Sun in Bolivia. This temple rises like a lotus in bloom. But where is its root? That's the Lotus Temple in India. The step pyramid is ancient and steep. But which country built the steps to the gods? That's Chichen Itza in Mexico. This fortress has 9 corners and infinite stories. But which land guards it? That's the Citadel of Aleppo in Syria. And that's a wrap. How did you do? 25 plus correct. You're basically Google Earth with legs. 15 to 24, not bad. You've got some serious travel chops. Below 15, time to hit the books. Or just the next flight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment how many you got right. And hey, start planning that next trip.